B as in bat. D as in dine. F as in fish. G as in goat. H as in hand. J as in jelly. K as in car. L as in leaf. M as in Monday. N as in nail. N as in the end of sing. As in pumpkin. As in rain. S as in sun. T as in turtle. V as in van. W as in watch. Y as in yellow. Z as in zip. Qu as in queen. Ch as in child. Sh as in shoes. J as in treasure. V as in those. F as in the end of bath. Long E as in eagle. I as in igloo. Long A as in rain. E as in elephant. A as in apple. Long I as in light. A as in octopus. As in umbrella. A as in saw. Long O as in boat. As in book. U as in blue. Long U as in uniform. Oi as in boy. Ow as in cow. R as in car. As in bird. Or as in Ford. Schwa as in again. Or I as in surface. I chose the following sounds to explain the voicing place and manner. K is pronounced with the back of the tongue on the back part of the roof of the mouth. It is a stop and it is unvoiced. K. V is pronounced with the lower lip and the upper teeth. V. It is a fricative and it is voiced. You feel that vibration? V. N is pronounced by closing the lips. It is a nasal. You can feel it when you close your nose, and it is voiced.